Hello there everybody watching this video, it's me 𝗖𝗹ន់back again with another new video on transit pixels, and that's too only for you. So in today's video I'll show you probably the quickest method of changing color of the clothes your subject have. It may have different types of patterns, different color shifts, and basically it will work with any color. So to let the change happen, what you have to do, you have to import the photo to Photoshop first, then you have to make a precise selection of the dress your subject has, then you just have to create a hue saturation layer first. And now just check the option named colorize inside the properties panel. If you can see this, just go to Windows and you can enable it from here. So let's suppose I choose this sort of greenish color. Just increase the saturation a little bit. You can also change the lightness over here. So to keep the steps simple, you can just leave the editing task and save this image from this level. But if you want it to be more precise and good looking, then what you have to do, you just have to copy this hue saturation layer, which you can do by using the shortcut Ctrl or Command J if you're using a Mac, and you can also drag and drop it over the new layer icon. Then you can play with any of these three sliders to get your preferred image. Then double click on the hue saturation layer which you just have copied and you have to make changes to. And now we'll use the blend if option. For this particular image, I'll take the dark parts of the slider apart, which will result showing a difference between the lighter and darker part of the image, of the cloth itself. You may also play with the opacity and can change the blend modes as per your requirement or as per your taste, but for this particular image, I found it to be fine. I'll give a little bit of yellowish tint to the lighter area so that it will look like some different sort of material than the original cloth have. So let's make a groove out of it, and this is the before and this is the after. You can clearly see the difference, and the hue of color is actually looking better than the original image have. Let's change it to another color like this one. Okay, so now as you can see, after a little bit of adjustments, the color is changed again and it's still looking realistic that you can use in social media as well. So this is what this video was for, and if you like this video, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all notifications so that you will never miss any other future videos of this channel. See you in next video. Till then, stay tuned.